Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the code execution cannot be proceed because gameinput.dll failed to load in Fortnite. All right, so let's begin with the video. To fix the Fortnite error saying gameinput.dll failed to load, avoid downloading random DLL files from the internet or placing them inside the Fortnite folder, as that can cause crashes or easy anti-cheat problems. Start by opening APP or Windows search and then search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt or go to right side and select Run as Administrator. Once it opens, type or paste the command that I will show you. You just have to paste this command into CMD and press Enter. This scan may take around 10 to 15 minutes, so wait until it finishes. Once completed, restart your PC. This helps repair or restore missing and corrupted system files, including files related to game input. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling Microsoft Gaming Services. Search for PowerShell in your Windows search. Go to right side and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm the permission prompt if it appears. Then go ahead and paste this required gaming services removal command and run it. If nothing happens, that means everything is running well. After that, paste the next command that I will show you, and then press Enter. This will open Microsoft Store directly to the Gaming Services page. From there, reinstall Gaming Services through the Microsoft Store. Once it's installed, restart your PC again, and then try launching Fortnite. These steps should help resolve the gameinput.dll loading error and get Fortnite working properly again. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.